Over the last couple of days, I've asked everyone to envision their new life with Unpassive. I think it's really important to envision the new life you're going to have in the next 3 months, 6 months, a year as Unpassive rolls out, so you know where you're going. But today, what I wanted to do is really bring something concrete to the table. Okay, you've got your vision. How are you going to get there? And really what I wanted to do is bring home how powerful Unpassive is, how powerful what Ash Mufareh, the CEO of Unpassive, is doing, is going to be in your life. I've known for a long time how good Ash is at what he does. And when we're talking about marketing, there isn't anybody online I've seen that's better than he is, or even close to where he is. And I want to bring home a couple of illustrations that will show you what to expect. The other day, we were talking with Ash, and we were talking about our YouTube channel. And the Unpassive Nation YouTube channel, that's yours and my YouTube channel, has done really well over the course of the last 2-3 months. And as I got done, Ash came on very nonchalant, and he said, well, I think we can do better. And for me, that's always a really good thing to hear, because I want to learn, I want to make it better, I want to cut time frames. And really what Ash did is he took the bar higher than I've ever seen it. And what he did in the course of 2 days, guys, 2 days, with just a few things that he asked us to do, a couple of things that he did, the YouTube channel in every statistic went up 500% in 2 days. Please understand how big a deal that is. When we're looking at the Unpassive Nation, our team, yours and my team, yours and I and my YouTube channel, what that does to our marketing and the amount of people that we're going to be bringing in, when we take our YouTube views from 3,000-4,000 views right now per video up to 30, 50, 70, 100,000 views per video, that is absolutely huge. And Ash did that with a couple of suggestions and doing a couple of things. How good is his marketing capability? This is one small example of what he's going to be doing in all of Unpassive. And if you're not on our team, do not worry about it. Ash, we're not the only team that Ash is going to be helping to increase the volume that we grow at. He's going to be doing this with a lot of teams throughout Unpassive, the overall group. So if you're not on our team, don't worry about it. If you are on our team, get very excited about it, because Ash has raised the bar so high, and it's really refreshing to see that. But he's not only done that, but he's going to show us how to get up there, how to reach that level, how to bring our marketing to a place where you cannot be stopped. And as we look at our team, we are unstoppable right now. And as you're looking at your new life, really Unpassive is giving you the permission to fill in a blank check. The only thing you have to determine is how quickly do you want that income to come to you. If you're thinking more than a year out, you're on the wrong team. Because Unpassive Nation, what we do is we cut time frames. We try and make it as quick as we can. And if you're following what we're doing, you will have to start pulling your weight as Unpassive rolls out and we have access to the automated marketing platform. We will give you things to do, very simple things to do. Anybody can do this, that will give you the ability to scale your business, to make things happen quicker. We all want that. We all want that lifestyle that we've envisioned. Ash Mufareh is giving that to us. Ash really has a heart to serve. I mean, just a great heart. He did not have to do this with our team. He didn't have to come on and give us a few little suggestions and help us out a little bit and take our YouTube channel up 500% in 2 days. Didn't have to do that. That's who Ash is. That's what he's going to be doing with the teams in On Passive that want to build and grow this business. So as we look at the Go founders that are here right now, as we look at the independent resellers that are going to be coming in and joining On Passive, you guys are in such a great place. You don't understand what's going to be happening, because this is just one area where Ash can help us. There are a dozen other areas that he's going to be working on that just take this to a whole different level. Now, I know a lot of you are spinning right now and you're going, what did he just say? Independent reseller of the IT product of On Passive? What's that all about? It's all about language. It's all about where we want On Passive to go as a company, and we have to get the language right. I will no longer be saying affiliate. That will be gone from my vocabulary. We are an independent reseller of the IT product of On Passive, the informational technology product of On Passive. And the reason I'm doing that is because we want On Passive to be perceived as it is. It will be a unicorn company. It will be perhaps a Fortune 500 company. It's going to be one of those big dogs on the block that when you talk about business, On Passive comes up. So affiliates, they're gone. We are independent resellers of the IT product of On Passive, the informational technology product of On Passive. We will all come into On Passive as customers, and from there we'll be able to click a button and become an independent reseller of On Passive. The last illustration I want to use is customers. Again, as we come into a passive, all of us will be customers. Customers are king. The new terminology, it changes nothing. The way we get paid, the structure that we get paid, On Passive can pay us any way they want. That structure has not changed, just the vocabulary. But let's talk about customers for just a little bit. We are going to have millions and millions of people coming into On Passive as customers. One of the main reasons is the traffic. Obviously, every product in On Passive absolutely superior, but the traffic is probably the hardest thing to do online. And On Passive, because it will be great quality traffic, there will be people coming in that market other companies that want the traffic of On Passive. And let's say we have an individual and she sells potions and lotions, which is fine. There are hundreds of things that are sold online. That's great. But she sells potions and lotions. So she's going to come in, get a membership level, get the traffic that she wants, and her business is going to start to grow. She's going to start to get more traffic. She's going to get sales. And as time goes by, she's going to go in her back office, and initially it's not going to be a big deal. She's going to go back there and say, well, you know, the price of this product, the price of this traffic, it's going down. Not sure what that is, but that's great. I don't have to pay as much. But there will come a time when she goes back there and she's going to see, you know, I'm paying for traffic here, and I'm not having to pay for it. Not only that, but I'm starting to make money. What's going on here? She's going to research it a little bit, and she's going to find out that she's starting to make money with the product she bought to build another business. And now she's making more money with On Passive than she is with the potions and lotions. This scenario is going to play out over and over and over again. And she's going to say, what am I doing? I'm in On Passive. I'm going to start promoting this because this is the best thing I've seen since sliced bread. Absolutely phenomenal. There are dozens of things that Ash has done. This is absolutely ingenious. That's why On Passive will be revolutionary online. There are dozens of things just like this that we can't talk about yet that Ash has done. And as you look at how On Passive Nation markets, the things you're going to be able to do, what Ash is doing us to really take us to that next level, to get to that high bar that he set, you are going to find that we are absolutely unstoppable. If you're not on our team, I believe On Passive is absolutely unstoppable. You're going to do great wherever you're at. I just think you're going to do better on our team. because of the reasons I've just given you. So as we look at marketing in On Passive, guys, this is just a small piece. If you just look at what happened to my YouTube channel in 2 days, just a very, very small sliver of what On Passive is bringing to the table, what they're going to be doing for us as a team in On Passive Nation, and what they're going to be doing for the other teams throughout On Passive. This stuff is just awesome. And once you understand this, that vision you have of a new lifestyle, it starts to become real very, very quickly because of Ash Mufareh, because of what his tech team is doing, because of On Passive, because of what our team in On Passive Nation is doing. Guys, get ready. Life is about to change because On Passive was made for you and for me. And moving forward, get that vision in your mind, where you want to be, what you want to make. Then let's make it a reality. So that's it for today, guys. Just a quick look at what's coming, the magnitude of it, and just a small piece of it. Believe me, there's so much more. So that's it for today, guys. Have a great week if you can still sleep. And yeah, we'll absolutely see you on the inside. Take care. Bye.